see my birdies. The guy with the bright yellow head and the orange cheeks is my male cockatiel. His name is Dewey. And the speckly one with a light yellow face is my female, Maggie. Those are the two that you guys hear chit-chatting all the time. Kind of hard to take it in between the... Yeah, are you going to say hi? You saying hi? Huh? Say hi. Hello. Maggie's got her cheeks all puffed up. You can see her little puffy cheeks. They were eating. You say hi. Say hello. Hello. Where's Daddy? Where's Daddy? Huh? Oh, sorry. Okay, say bye. And here is the spoiled dog. She is mad at me right now because she wanted to get up on the couch with me, and I'm trying to edit my video and she's too fat. Go figure. But see all the toys she has? And this isn't even, she has 3 laundry baskets full of toys. She's spoiled rotten. Luna, are you gonna say hello? She's like, no, I'm mad. Get away. Okay guys, another quick video. This is Wednesday, this is week 2 of my perlite versus water update. I want to see what's going on, so let's go ahead and look at the water ones first. They're easier to pull out. Let me put this down. This is my Florida Beauty Red Stem, and she is a beauty. You can see the roots on her. She's got nice roots. I wonder if I could do something else to put behind here. Okay, let's see if this works any better to be able to see. I found a little piece of cardboard. It don't really show up any better either, does it? I don't know. But you can see it has pretty nice little root growing on it. This is the water. And then let's look at the Philodendron Lemon Lime Upright. She's got some really good roots on it too. 2 weeks in water. She's got 2 nodes that she's got roots growing out of. So that's good. Cool. So there's those. Let's get that back out of the way. Now I'm going to be very careful. Now Chris gave me a tip and said put a little bit more water in when you're pulling them out, and then they come out easier, so that's what I'm doing. Let me rinse this off. And as you can see, it's got just about the same amount of roots on it as the water. That's the perlite. And that's the water. Actually, the water ones are longer. This is water, and that's perlite. So the water one actually has a little bit longer roots on it, on that one. Now let's pull out the Florida Beauty. Carefully. Oh my goodness. Now see, this one is total opposite. Trying to pick off some of the perlite. Now on the Florida Beauty, the roots on this one are a lot better than the water propagation one. Now I'm reminding you, these are in the exact same light. They're sitting right beside each other on my table. So, in this case, the Perlite, the Philodendron Florida Beauty red stem, is doing better than the water propagation. And on the lemon lime upright, the water propagation roots are a little bit bigger. So, and you can compare, okay, this is the Perlite leaf. Still very, very nice. Oh, I'm getting so tangled up. And then this is the water propagation leaf. Both are very nice. Water, Perlite. So they're both doing very well. A lot of times our leaves will get wonky. And then these are the leaves of the Philodendron lemon lime in water. And these are the leaves of the Perlite one in water. And granted, these are longer. You know, usually you only cut a note or two, but I did not want to do that. But the leaves on them are just about the same. They're still fine, but they're pretty floppy. So I'm going to put these back. I'm just going to gently stick them back down in. There we go. Now, I want to look at, if you guys remember, I put my Dark Lord in Perlite. The one that I got, I think it was 2 weeks ago also. I got her in Perlite. Carefully, let me put a little more water in here. That trick does work. Thanks, Chris. Putting extra water in to get your plants out. Okay, let me rinse this off. I think I see something. Oh, I'm so excited. Oh my god, look at that. She's got little roots everywhere. Down here on this bottom node, she's got 1, 2, 3 roots. And then up here on the second node on the top, she's got 1, 2, and then that was the air root. It's doing nothing. I'm just going to pull that's rotting, but this root, this is the actual root. I forget what this stuff is called. It's not sheathing, it's, oh, I can't remember. But anyways, it don't matter. This one is doing really good. Now, oh, I'm so excited that this plant is getting roots. I love this plant. I've been wanting her for so long, and her leaf is still really nice and firm. It's dusty, but it's nice and firm. And the stem on it is still really nice, and yay, getting roots. So, probably another week or two, depending on how much more the roots grow, I'll go ahead and pot her up. I don't like to let my water roots get really long, about 1 inch, and then I'm wanting to plant it. But, and, alright, so, I mean, there are some differences in some of the plants. So, in one case, we have where the water is doing a little bit better on one cutting, and then in another case, well, actually 2, we have, but with the Florida Beauty, the roots have really taken off in the Perlite. But I think I will keep using Perlite just because it does have the extra minerals and stuff in it, and it does help hold your plant up, which, I mean, really isn't that big of a deal. Stick a stake down in your water vessel if you need to, but I think the Perlite is working out pretty good. it's cheap enough, and it's great because you can actually go ahead and reuse it. You can just dump the water out and let it dry, or go ahead and pot it right into another plant if you need to repot a plant at that point. So you can go ahead and just keep reusing it. At least I'm going to. So, because I'm cheap and I like to do things, you know, plants are expensive, and we spend a lot of time taking care of them and nurturing them. And, you know, your plants are expensive, soil's expensive if you let it be. I don't buy any specific brand of soil. I'm not like super crazy about making sure I have certain type of soil, or it's the only type of soil that I use. But you know, as long as I get it and it's nice soil and it's fluffy and it's got the stuff in it that I want it to have, I'm good with it. So, and bags of perlite are really cheap, especially the bags that I buy. So I'm fine with using perlite, and I think it's working out pretty good. I don't know if I should go ahead and do a 3-week update. Maybe by that point, everything will be rooted up enough to go ahead and plant up. We'll see. We'll check again next week, and then I'll make a decision. This Florida Beauty and perlite, you know, I could pot her up right now back into my mother plant, but I'll wait. I'll let the experiment go on another week, see what happens. So, alright guys, I am going to talk to you later, and you guys have a good day. Bye. Peace.